Happy summer season and midsummer to everybody in the Northern Hemisphere. And let's talk about fire safety. It always starts with the preparation. Before you even use this heat generating equipment, such as this diesel stove I have, you need to install it safely. And if you are hesitating with any kinds of installations, you need to rely on the specialized workshops that are qualified, or let some other experienced mechanic or assembly technician complete the installation for you to make sure it is fire safe. The first important equipment is the fire detector. They can be powered in several ways. Mine is powered with the batteries, and I test it regularly, roughly once per month, to see that it gives the warning signal. So make sure that your fire alarm always works when you are inside your camper van. The second fire safety equipment I have is the 6 kilogram powder fire extinguisher. I can deploy it easily here if I want to. And there are fire extinguishers in many forms, powder, foam, and you just need to do your preparation, search for the information and select the one that fits best for you. Also learn how to use it. This is 6 kilograms because I have heard a rule of thumb that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1 second of actual fire extinguishing time. So when people are using these, they tend to be a little nervous, and they sometimes accidentally use the powder or foam in the wrong places. So it is better to have a big enough fire extinguisher to be sure that you have enough time to react with the flames. Third item of fire safety equipment is the carbon monoxide detector. Ours is powered by 12-volt system, and it draws its power directly from the laser batteries I have here in the camper van, and it is automatically on when the main power is on all the time. And there are different kinds of carbon monoxide detectors, but please make sure that you have some form of it. And also please make sure that it is properly assembled and installed in your camper van. Just to recap, first of them, fire alarm, second of them, 6 kilogram powder fire extinguisher, and third, carbon monoxide alarm.
It is also very important to know your equipment. For example, in our case, this vent here is our exhaust for the hot air that comes from the diesel burner. So we need to know not to park in the high grass or any other flammable area. That should go without saying.
Those are my suggestions for the improved fire safety in the camper vans. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, please consider subscribing or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this one, and see you in the next video. Bye!